luchadors? Donde es la biblioteca? Today, we're gonna make smoked chicken nachos. For our brothers in the South, they call it Nachos de Smoked Chicken. I got my nose. Time to make the rub. Next, you rub the chicken. Not like you do in the bathroom at your grandma's house on Thanksgiving. They're fighting. Now, these beautiful breasts must be sacrificed to the gods. Now that your mutilated chicken flesh is done, you must shred it. Mucho suertes! Now you have shredded chicken. Now we get to create the nachos. The secret to making smoked chicken nachos is that you must add layer
after layer upon layer upon layer
upon layer
upon layer
upon layer
of chips, cheese, jalapenos, chicken, beans, hot sauce,
and flavor.
Now on low heat, place on your grill for 10 minutes, or one Dream Theater song. Now you got Nachos de Smoked Chicken. Buenos dias. Hasta la vista, baby.